Welcome to Ditch the Classroom. This is your host, Ariana Vernier, and I'm so excited that you're here. I'm a teacher turned business coach who is so passionate about helping fellow mamas like you ditch the classroom and pursue your big, hairy, scary dreams. Imagine a life where you could still impact the world, but do so while following your passions and spending more time with your babies. In Ditch the Classroom, we'll explore ways you can do just that. Myself, guest experts, and amazing teachers who have also built a successful business will share tools, tips, and resources to help you ditch the classroom too. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday. If you're new to this, here on the Ditch the Classroom podcast, every Thursday I do a quick tip where I'm answering a question y'all have. It's usually short and sweet episode, 5 minutes or less, just getting straight to the point for y'all. So today's question is one that I get a ton, and it's, do I need a degree to become a virtual assistant? And my answer, no. You just need the willingness to learn. I say this all the time, so you've probably heard me say this before, but you just have to have that willingness to figure things out. You do not need a degree backing you. You don't even need any skills right off the bat. You can figure things out as you go. Now, I don't necessarily recommend duct taping your business together and doing it yourself, but you can go the DIY route if that's just what's best for you right now, if that's where you're at right now in this journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Or you can take a paid course or program to help you. But this is way, way cheaper than going and getting a degree for administrative services or a business degree or whatever. Usually paid courses and programs are like $1,000 or less versus a degree y'all know, if you're teachers, it's like $20,000 a year or something crazy like that. So courses, programs, they're the way to go. Shameless plug here. The Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy is your best bet to help you replace your teaching income as a virtual assistant and start working from home in 6 months or less. And next week, we have our flash sale happening. So you're going to be getting a super special discount. If you tune in here on the show on Monday, you're going to find out exactly what that discount is. I'm so excited to offer this to y'all. This program is never as cheap as I'm going to be offering it during this flash sale. So make sure you tune in on Monday. We're also going to be having a 5-day series here on the podcast starting Monday as well, teaching you the 5 different steps you can take to start your virtual assistant business. So tune in next week. We're going to be hanging out here every day from June 20th to June 24th. And I'm going to be sharing with you some quick tips to help you get started on your virtual assistant business and really take those few steps forward that you need to take. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Can't wait to see you next week for our flash sale and our 5-day series. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Before you go, make sure you take a minute to subscribe to the show, leave a rating and review, and check out the show notes for a free gift to help you ditch the classroom. If you loved today's episode, can you help me share the message by taking a screenshot, tagging me on Instagram at ariana.vernier, and sharing it with your friends so we can help more mamas ditch the classroom and follow their dreams. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed in your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.